Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to add a pop-up to your Shopify store. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an attention-grabbing pop-up that can help you grow your email list, announce sales, or just connect with your customers in a more dynamic way, all using a user-friendly app called POWR Popup. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin page. This is the command center for your store, where you manage everything from products to apps. So go ahead and open that up. Once you're inside the admin dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and find the section labeled Apps. This is where you bring in extra functionality to your store. Click on it, and you'll land on your current apps page. Now, in the Apps section, look for a search bar. Type in POWR Popup. This is a reputable app that specializes in creating pop-ups for Shopify stores, and it offers a bunch of customization options. If you see a list of results, just select the correct app from POWR and go ahead and hit Install. Don't stress. Shopify makes the installation process pretty straightforward. Just follow any on-screen prompts, and you'll have it set up in a minute or two. After installing, POWR will prompt you to choose a pop-up template. Think of this as choosing the style and layout for your pop-up, much like picking the frame for a picture. There are several templates designed for different purposes: announcing a sale, collecting email subscriptions, or even just welcoming new visitors. Take a moment to browse and pick the one that best suits your goal. With your template selected, you're ready to start editing. This is where you make the pop-up your own. Don't be afraid to get creative here. Add your message, maybe an enticing call to action, your colors, and your brand's logo if you'd like. Small tip: keep your message clear and concise. Remember, pop-ups are meant to grab attention, not overwhelm. And if you want to offer a discount code, this is a great place to do it. Once you're happy with your edits, look for the Publish button. Go ahead and hit it. This tells the app you're ready to launch your pop-up. But before it goes live, POWR will ask you where you want the pop-up to show up. For most stores, everywhere is a safe bet. It ensures that no matter which page your customer lands on, they'll see your message. Just select that option. Now, it's time to enable your new pop-up on your store's front end. Head over to your store's Customize page. You'll usually find this under Online Store in the sidebar, then Themes, and then a button that says Customize. Inside the theme editor, look for the POWR Pop-up app among your available sections or apps and make sure it's enabled. Once you've done that, don't forget to hit Save. Sometimes this part takes a few moments, so be patient. Finally, visit your actual Shopify website. Just open it in a new tab and see if the pop-up appears as expected. If not, double-check to make sure you enabled and saved everything correctly. If something doesn't show up right away, don't panic. It can occasionally take a moment or two to sync with Shopify. And that's it. You've just added a fully functional pop-up to your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your store.